simplifying radicals using upside down division. I'm going to do a quick video on how to simplify radicals, specifically using upside down division, which is my favorite method of doing it. Simplifying square root of 20. We don't know the square root of 20, so we're not trying to approximate it. We're trying to just break it down to a simpler form. The only thing left inside the radicand is prime roots of 20. The way I like to do it is upside down division. I'm write a little divide sign, like a 20. The key trick is don't be a hero. Start small and make sure it's prime numbers. I'm not going to divide this by 10. It's not a prime number. I want to start small. Don't be a hero. Start small. So prime numbers, smallest prime number I know is 2. That's not 1. And then you just go 20 divided by 2. That's 10. And then we're just going to do it again. I go, okay, how do I divide 10? That's 2 and 5. And that's as far as I could go. 5 is a prime number. I can't do anything else. So these are gone. Now, when we do square root, remember square root, even though they don't show it, they mean they have a 2 there. You're looking for 2 of the same things. So when I talk about square root of 9 equals 3, it's because 3 times 3 equals 9. We need a pair to come out because there's a power there. So these 2 come out, and the 5, since it's by itself, it's all lonely, has to stay inside the square root. So this turns into 2 square root of 5. Okay, let's do a few more examples. I want to simplify square root of 5, so I'm going to do the same idea. So 75, I'm going to start small. 2 doesn't divide 75, but 5 does. 5, and go there. So 75 divided by 5. That is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, get 2, bring down the 5. 5 goes to 25 5 times, I get 15. Then I go, okay, what divides 15? Prime numbers, 3 and 5. We have a pair of 5s. That goes on the outside, and that lonely 3 stays inside. That's how you simplify square root of 75. Let's do another one. 240 here. I'm going to do the same thing. Now, you could go faster if you know big prime numbers. I don't deal with that. Just go small. 2 and 120. I go 2 and 60, 2 and 30. Then that is 3 and 10, and that is 2 and 5. Now, again, I need pairs. These pair of 2s come out. These pair of, oh, there's a pair of 2 with this pair of 2. That would come out also. Remember, they only make 1. And then these guys, these only guys are staying inside. Let's make like this. There's a 2 from the purple. There's a 2 from the light blue. And then all this other stuff is staying inside the 3 and the 5. Now, anytime you have more than one thing, either on the outside or the inside, you're multiplying them. I have 2 2s on the outside, I'm going to multiply them. I have a 3 and a 5 on the inside, I'm going to multiply them. You get 4 square root of 15. And that's how you break down square root of 240. Multiply it there. Now we're going to do the cube root of 80. The cube root, what does that change? It just means you need 3 of a kind. Instead of a pair, you need 3 of a kind. So it's the exact same concept. I'm going to do 80, upside down division, start small, 2. That's 40. 40 divided by, I could divide it by 2 again. That's going to be 20. And divide that by 2 again, and I get 10. I'm going to divide it by 2 again, and I get 5. Now it's cube roots. I need 3 of a kind. These 3 make a 2 on the outside. And then all these guys are lonely, including that extra 2. 2 and a 5, they're on the inside, they're together. I get 2 square root of 10. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 2 cube root of 10. There we go. It's a cube root, not a square root. Don't make the same mistake I did. It has to still be a cube root. Let's do a fourth root of 80. Same thing. Nothing changes here. 80. Only thing now is I'm looking for 4 of a kind. Divided by 2, and I get 40. Divide that by 2, and I get 20. Divide that by 2, and I get 10. 2 and 5. Now, in this case, I actually do have 4 of a kind. 4 4s. That goes out, makes a 2. That poor 5 stays on the inside. Inside this fourth root, 2 times the fourth root of 5 keeps the root. Okay, let's do one more. This is the cube root of 300. 300. Remember, it's a cube root. I'm looking for 3 of a kind. 3 of the same number. There we go. I'm divide this by 2, and I get 150. I can divide by 2 again, and I get 75. That's a little trick we did earlier. I'm going to do 3 this time, because I know it divides by 3. Simple trick. 7 plus 5. If you could add the 2 numbers, and you get something divides by 3, then divides by 3. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 divides by 3. Also, 1 plus 2 equals 3, which divides by 3. That's a quick check to see if something divides by 3. Also works here. 3, 6, all these divide by 3. Anyway, 75 divided by 3 is 2. That gets me 6. Subtract, I get 1, 15. That's 5. 3 and 25 gets me 75, and then 5 and 5. If you look here, I have no 3 of a kind. That's it. You can't do anything. So your answer here is just the cube root of 300. Can't change anything. And that's the video.